Me ya nyo me ya she. I mean that. Na me talk am. Me no. Uchitu me chitu. Diobe ubi obi anko. Wu akọ. Me wu ameko. Me sana me papa no. Ashimu samu no mu tete me.
Aisha would want to give you something to have a hold on you. Nye ni papa. And I mean, my daddy lumba $20,000. Eto a dromano. And Aisha Modi, why me despite so become papa? Why ya? Yent means Nagana ha.
Other for Aisha Modi egusua wo kasa enya asem kota na we die Mona Gucci abetutu bi e de amane no to ye pa enya asem kota ni nyina e fa nsem awdo a wo kan e fa stone boy ne yere and office na busuafo other for ye tie nsem awdo bi Mona Gucci abetutu e de amane Aisha Modi ye ba ya to aso e de amamo
Aisha Modi why me despite so become papa why ya yent means Nagana ha. And I mean, my daddy lumba $20,000. Eto a dromano. Aisha, one kasa and some of Coca with Dolores show so no. Actually say, Stone Boy, MBN and not that, and the Bisa Wisika. We have screenshots, a bit me a kind of Stone Boy appreciating you each and every time. One kasa will be posting screenshots be where Stone Boy was asking you to even go to sleep. I think you were in America by then. And a woo castle, Unyana, and a Stone Boy so, or that was sick. Say, Danny Danian, or supporting the brand. What do you want from the boy? Aisha Modi, you see, you are chasing the attention that you didn't get when you were a child. You have abandonment issue. You need to go and heal yourself. And stop this nonsense. Everyone is afraid to say it to you, but me, I'll tell you because I know you will come and drag me, but that's okay. When you go to bed, that pillow soa, you say asamloka na mekachiro, unye ni papa. And I mean, my daddy lumba $20,000. Eto a dromano. And Aisha Modi, why me despite so become papa? Why ya? Yent means Nagana ha. Papa. Kwame despite you the you Kwame despite you Papa Father Dixon cry ayama nipa no eye nipa ne eba ebeka. Aisha Modi, this is your problem because you didn't get the attention that you needed when you were a child growing up. You were never the center of attraction. You have been psychologically and emotionally traumatized, and you seek evaluation so much from people that you end up paying for those things. Celebrity wepe now share koto phone now they're channel just because you want to get close to that celebrity and they have some sort of love. Oh papa we now papa we when you were growing up did you have that kind of love and protection from your father? Clearly you have abandonment issue because tell me Aisha, being friends with Stone Boy, who benefited? Only Stone Boy friendship, and I said you being a fan of Stone Boy, you using the name She Loves Stone Boy. Up till now, who didn't attempt? Who didn't attempt our Samando, but you are still maintaining that your Instagram handle called She Loves Stone Boy. Girl, step forward, fighting Stone Boy. Go and change that name on your Instagram handle. Then we know that now your full name Aisha Ajete Okereke. Put it there. Leave Stone Boy alone. Friendship is not by force. Friendship, my sister, friendship is not by force. And now what makes you a bad person? At the Krutia, Mr. Aisha, papa say, a few years ago, you were insulting Shatawali. You were using all kind of ill-cultured, uncouth words on Shatawali. Uni Stone Boy, see, when a little tantrum, just a little tantrum, and see, even till now, upon all the harsh words you are using on this boy goes for interviews and then he still says he's cool with you. Papa, Mona, I'm saying, sir, you are not a good person. And I'm yes, Obia here, we are sick. Jesus to cry all carry cross, but when it got so heavy, the soldiers themselves asked someone else to come help Jesus carry the cross. I shall let the Setakle family rest. Obia Sumo say come and invest. through Stonebwoy, you met Davido, you met world superstars. It was through Stonebwoy you have also benefited. Now, the reason why they didn't want to associate their brand with you is the fact that some of the desperate upcoming artists know, omo person money Stonebwoy your collaboration now we want fetch the no ajiska. In na stone or but odo a woman won't know. He never confronted you. And you know, if Stonebwoy, a fan of Stonebwoy, mummy and you know, a fan, also bodyguard, I bet to do whatever. And yes, Stonebwoy and the woman told me to do whatever. And so, if you want to attack the person, attack the bodyguard direct and leave the Stonebwoy family out of it. Friendship is not by force. Friendship and yeah by force. Stop using money to buy relationships. Stop using money to buy friendship. Stop using money to have evaluation. What is it? You not sorry, and I mean, I'm here say, and Samini cry, and I'm here say, and a high grade family. The time is now who watch Aisha Modi. Now you nimu. We didn't know you. It is not as if say me as some 18 years old girl being a Metehan Muse in America. I am telling you the fact. Enough. You are not a good person. Stop claiming you're a good person. You are not. And if everyone is afraid to tell you, me Mona Mekacho, adia wa ye no e nipa boni sempa no ye no. Jai. Obi se on power than for. I don't want to associate my brand with you again just because it's like all the time, you are making a lot of enemies for me. And so I'm going to build my boundaries high so that I can maintain my brand and still will not have any kind of animosity between me and you. And also want to say Stonebwoy sorry they be on better form no kasa Aisha Benatin and Temeso. Ade okay, just in case oh crash was Stonebwoy so crown as open na. Louisa say utipe no ana. Do you look like Dr. Louisa? Aisha Modi, do you look like Dr. Louisa in any way or form? Why? What is it? And you Aisha's friends, none of you is telling her the truth. And she will soon end up being suicidal because everybody is neglecting her. She didn't get all this kind of attention when she was growing up. Of course, school classroom, no one was giving her attention. And so, she's fighting for that evaluation. And you people see it, but you can't tell her because of about $50. Who can't amount $50? Aisha would want to give you something to have a hold on you. Aisha check me $200. So catch me say, many obi ni ne say because nipa ni stroke inti me ko kuma no. And I'm say Aisha, o ka say me Johnson no me no wo me on. Me mean this agro. If that is how you are going to do the friendship, go your way. So she gives you something and have a hold on you. When you don't allow her to use it whichever way she wants, then it becomes a problem. You become her worst enemy. What is it? Leave that family alone. Who was coming to get Stonebwoy about school fees? You went to the school. Stonebwoy about school ninti na wo so do back school ni mo. And I will call her one day. Say PTA meeting or say PE4 meeting. And I think that the parents were not available by then. And there was this small amount to be paid because here you go school and he said, if you don't show up for PTA meeting, there's a fine to pay. After paying that fine, you are here on social media, on the World Wide Web, saying that you pay school fees for CJ and this thing. Who? Delay Aisha, I'm telling you, you are not a good person, and I'm done. Other
for na answer why and which in Afia Snake so Abetre Aisha Modi ye panya some kutua so come here say we are the companies and in your kaka hunyina no Aisha Modi dear son say wo ba no wakasapa enya asem kwete na Afia Snake wabra no your life na eye nkrofon so e wo so na cheso movie say Aisha Modi cry na chese se be ko ran krampo no or translate and then some do mo kan edify Aisha Modi ho de other for yentie bi embraye ba Yebetwa so ediamom.
University of Ghana, Aisha Modi dia. Legon asana mene mo kano. Schooling in Nara, Aisha dia. One phone call, ne menya hostel. One phone call. And then she said, open hostel cry just for education minister. One phobia was come of education minister. One phone call. So
enti ame won say Aisha te ho yes wo tumfo nyankonko pata boko ntokwa na boko asase no wan dia edi enti no mo Aisha Modi nko boko asase no wan dia edi boko no wan na dem a ye pobi I was am ungrateful asema si boko na ye pobi am na stop here otumfo abra Aisha ho I want to know about issue no more solve it. Now Donald Trump every Ukraine president no. Aisha Modi anko bi no. Ukraine and Russia won I end. Ya kan san jama munti. Donald Trump friend said Zelensky quite me who did bother. Zelensky said you know. Aisha Modi anko bino. Asumdwe na yedwa. Mo Aisha mo de na to ho. Why na beti na solve boku issue na ba from no why. Me the sametine di ho be kumoda e dana Zelensky ba White House na Aisha maybe no e dey na see ye mo amomeka Aisha no ya papa won pese obeka o pese o di see. But say me I can because of the car so kasa. Umaka. You see now your life bear 7 hours. Now I'm 7 hours. And you're so on your life. No be on the Finance World Bank they o kasa e was saying Nadu ya hey Nadu ya German for koto abe German for ekoto abe Mumusa say why ne tua hoka ya ton Chelsea ana chema mutumi ne na dwa na nso okoto yi why na to Chelsea Google ni say see why na to Chelsea kwa Google dey Google ni say see why na to Chelsea Mungu why na to Chelsea Mungu Senidi amana cheso die si Senidi ama no die si di ama Muso ya munka di Aisha ya wate Me dia se mi be ko na wie no makodai makore Netflix no madai Muso ya muni Aisha dance power to sana mpeseka Aisha Modi won ya hwe no on e see O2 arena Akoso modam Aisha Modi ni see ye Captain Siza uniana Captain uniana na me format so Oniana, na me wa. Na se ka to kwa mate sai sha ne me wuni bebre na de sie wo ba. Anya me asha ne me akate yesu ni bebre.
Oh, meaning bebre. Oh, Aisha dear. I know no the Anka Ghana the Anka light dear. Kebebre pa. Jamin Shana. Why are dear? Because me kai say si fa muni na kwentu ni na Aisha ne boye. Ana D black and so no on say ne club no say ne crab on so. And also so Aisha na ye. You understand? Ansi ase kodjon kansa no mani na Aisha we dey no na be kan ye. Obofo fi no so Aisha na si ye.
Yeah, what kind of one a toy?
I'm on recorded in bad Germany, Aisha.
Oh,
Aisha in bad Germany. Mintia ne kakra, intia wants to yankai, Afia.
And never I is captain.
Yes, I'm get well.
Nana Germany for about to know for some codges going.
And Asha one Koji. Uncle Jiska or Asha Honum. Oh. Ono the Asha de oya de na mni benti wonti min kapa power ye. Adentia.
I know the name any be say. Say said dan go te de am abeke won me beko.
I know no beko. Cause ya no episode this year. Na ayikra a birthday kra cause kro na ye. On na ye ma guy no person be say chonze ne buafu guy no pa.
I ran 40.
I say birthday no na ye. Asha boka o. Na Davido Crutia is kabe 6 billion a man, $6 billion. Wow.
I say Davido they want to call Davido they na call after them.
Hey, and Asha so join no man was so tiana ka says be na kwara akra yaro.
Davido they say na call Aisha na discover the video.
Pam.
Diamond one no. Nam so man 6 billion no.
Na o ma pela saying.
Why?
Pela Korea shata. Yes, Asha the finance and rock. Pela.
Oh. Any information, sir.
Be a pela.
Don't you New York come boy no.
Hey, because woman eba. Eba keke se woman eba.
I shall to feel New York come boy no.
Hey, Asha 16 years boy, what to fear mano. Wow. And again, and any day, or a hard girl.
And yeah, I say, no, Captain. And yet, means a hand can be.
Hey.
I'm saying.
That's all.
A review, Ghana, Captain. You have no airport hills.
Airport hills.
Quarter plots cry a bare $1 million. Now, you say what's a sitting in Aisha Papa no Nereso.
And radio no can ye or see the whole Accra. Me donya me the whole Accra men and seen in Nassau Penster say I buy the crap is so chakwain, I buy the crap is so see antenna, I buy the crap is you know also contacting a no cray.
Mr. I see I will be fair because I'm saying I shall have see ya.
ABO DC. Was it chief imam crampono? Eddie, I just a contact no. And then the chief imam Didi. Wow.
Baby, chief imam masala chinisino. You're from Fadama.
Fadama, baby, I quite Eugene.
Na assassin Aisha there.
Ain't in a quite Eugene to free honor.
I want quite what the Fadama.
I said, I'm Eugene. Okay, meet you now.
It is possible. Somewhere no one can tell about me. They will go in Saba.
Okay, I'm a member, sir. But you had Yaka home. Only had Yaka home. It's Oxford grammar and had your title.
Yapon. That's Yapon.
Na Bible, if you try Bible.
Oh, I know they say I can't tell us why it is.
I know my late one try Bible.
Aisha, one I interpret Quran.
Wow. Hello,
Aisha.
Siri, I want the lady who interprets Quran. I say again is Hajia Aisha Modi. Oh, Siri, Siri, with this size. Siri, this size. Hey, Siri. Charlie,
me kodano. Final one amunim no.
Eya
Muwa mobako heaven. Saboni Aisha Modi and Transundem wa heaven honey there.
Oh, hey, ojina gate too.
And heaven assassin in Aisha there.
Ono ne di go de go kwan so.
Yes.
Enti no masa wa mo ani anda wa unwura ho ojina ho.
Why Natural Oxford was written by James Murray. Aisha, I thought that no person of this guy said one control he said James Murray. Aisha Modi no. Na Murray no Modi difference when you. Aisha this guy said no one. No what this guy say. Murray ni Modi. What the fact Murray ni Modi difference when you.
No be on ultimate 100 billion coily possession my video pictures in the lake Lucas are grown with it.
100 billion and I know answer or like possession or space and answer Jupiter.
The doctors now could leak pictures. I'm as say about internet being for the hard dream also. Aisha hard dream. Oh, and yes, I could OTS Casa. Cause no board.
I didn't say Google, no crowd will
Facebook ran it say ya to amano Zuckerberg.
Aisha didn't go school. Oh, yeah, Mama handsome.
Ampa, and until Zuckerberg so bad Ghana. No, he also
Aisha didn't go school.
Also, I am
actually Zuckerberg when you call a brim far or go to university or person and Aisha train her.
Oh, see, I am Ghana.
Idea any day iCloud buy.
Hey, and a radian who Aisha baby free no, baby, and Elon Musk a bush and phone bia. Elon Musk and my mini Aisha. Space as any Aisha, they say, and they say,
why Elon Musk was South Africa, Aisha the movie about America. A bay and crater man. Tesla no, Tesla no, and tattoo no. Aisha Modi in the show. Tesla, you know, Tesla. Aisha boa Elon Musk no.
Ana Tesla. Ana
any somebody would and none go for an musician some say Mumbusa Bena boy, Mumbusa Bena boy, Mumbusa Bena boy. Someone that didn't go international. One captain. Yeah, you know.
Tesla did not shock me because I'm poor Tesla. I'm watching that no so what Jim.
Yes.
Into can Dino Cranes Tesla into Aisha. Tesla, Aisha. Hey, Abruan Wuska. We had. We had.
Why is it was here hard and then said was Wuska. And they said, "But someone in Amoka Wuska na Moncano." A high. Come on. Oh, what's it called?
Hey, let you know Wuska because Osha Crana, me call ultimate go. Oh, Nyapa dear, say Ghana crown, yes, oh, you'll be a discover, and you know, Ghana G. Bosia, Namisako, her crowns actress say, Ghana for crowd the new,
Aisha Modi finances. I am.
Yes. And to when was Shadama, I need Muslim, I said the MPE,
Yes.
What's most of the channel?
Islamic, the spelling of I.
Channel, Oscar.
What did you see?
And when I saw her spelling,
now say Aisha, I saw one shadow feature than Mom cheddar.
Hey, if you the red,
I saw that. Now say away the Yama boy. No, when was the last time I was cheddar?
What did you do, Grandpa?
Shit.
What the Aisha, what you know? Aisha train home. Yes, see, I'm no casano. Aisha bet me one phone call. I'm a lights na ya tutu mo Ghana no cry at so. But Ghana for you ungrateful. And you make you have 14%. And one bet ya.
Na ko so go down no one see.
Aisha, some medical kasa Aisha. One see. Oh,
that's the last one. Mo want some kaka money.
Adi Aisha you.
When's the last time I'm moving?
I think I make a Jubilee House crowd ye at
Jubilee House way. Obi I see Bed Khalif. Now the Jubilee House depending Bed Khalif.
Jubilee House dear.
And I'm winning Bed Khalif.
Oh, Jubilee House crowd in a car. 5,000 in a car.
Shit.
Na Pablo Escobar as I'm not Oni no Argentina Pablo Escobar uye. Say Pablo intimi entianeka. And Aisha ma US for equity Pablo. They say you sitting in that be Aisha. I don't pekra. Oh no, me obekun se si awo.
Share.
What trying to go obekun Aisha dey do dey Pablo na.
Yeah, I am the license so timi kuni per 200.
What one can't you?
America.
Also timi kuni per 200. O kuni papa sa.
A deal.
Maza, o ya bro na otia no obekun. On pet.
A deal say year. A year.
Say do timi kuni per 200. On one nto. Wa me ku Pablo kwa. Wa me ku Pablo. Hey, Aisha wa na di o.
Na me wonder says asem na that police for pie wo kroma be wo no.
Oh, the whole betri no. Osi ma wo ni pampa ne.
Obega don't want it to makasa na me bo no. You are for the bed.
60 years. We Jimmy too. Skania we Jimmy sa de me hu bi da kura.
And there say me kuni per 200 in a year.
Osi mi timi kuni per 200 in a year.
How America?
Ewa America. What teti me na ma wo pan ye bi mi wo dru bi am de be ma wo. What kind of so we dey? Oh, pay you would ni. This is where the Bema current member life. Skania o ka say.
Na me di twa to no. Busa santa for the me shia when is here.
As on the phone mo no correct but a true only see. Oh, but
me shia palace no when you see.
Aisha Modi and see.
Like a former maker. Me shia when you see. When you see me shia. Eh why sika? And all the finance.
We as a mommy and cannot correct. Mommy and cannot correct the Aisha.
Why the finance?
On one is here. Aisha is here. As for me and cannot correct.
Goyo, why the Ghana oil, the why the Ghana oil, the limited. Goyo, why the
Aisha Nadia. Nancy and Crown is a
winner. Make on your to make you feel a mirror. I should. Huh?
So can you please double check the box and let me see what it is?
You know I don't do that. I don't open parcels. Oh, hard. Me person who be feel now one be be and do be bad thing.
Oh, we bring chemicals.
O kan ene. Okay, we dey. Me be enzo. So you say me pebble for so be. Do you know I have like I get me so listen me beer boxes.
Surprise.
The point that be Miss Papa B Yasser Arafat now Israeli president and a prime minister, and that was how he was killed.
So, like how come later be automatic?
I said we can show.
Yeah, even people are even under the conversation.
I check.
Omokrasi Aisha Modi kwa na yes abone no.
And you know say no.
Only
I just see a panacho. I just me my say no bra. Me can woni ni o. Me my say no. Just see a panacho.
Onya bonsam dia de bekesa.
Onya bonsam boy world billionaire.
Aisha Modi the world billionaire. Yeah, Raddy. One finance tomboy career was a
but so just
me Judy Afia. Oh, that's a go Afia my Judy. Afia me Judy. Oh, Afia me Judy.
Why not finance each other? What do you
Afia me Judy.
Search Serbia and NDC for campaign. Why not finance it? Why
not campaign? Look right here on
party no we and RNQ 40 no. Why not finance it? Who we have a catcher?
Hey, on why Aisha?
Who we have a finance on the
wow.
Yes. Now we must say Gabi or Chedako. Gabi, Nana do offer us Gabi. I assume was Gabi baby on the godmother and why. Ibrahim
the Oscar or Posono.
Yes.
I do see what's a Posono. Wow.
Come I want to be godmother and wine. Ibrahim mama godmother no wine or say kwa me despite godmother no wine.
Adafo e bia na Aisha Modi ne nsɛm ahodoɔ wɔ kan yɛ anas wɔde betu dwa no wenye bi enti ende wo bia enyinya ne de celebrities ahodoɔ Zion Felix any Stonebwoy any one wɔkeka wɔn nyina no ekamia yɛ sɛ Aisha Modi sɛ one day wahwe wiase mu nyina e bia na wɔn so wo kan ho fa comment eto ase yenkɔni nkuti nsɛm ahodoɔ bia Aisha Modi de betu dwa no nam so ma ne DM Mona Gucci abetutu bi de ama na sanso na ɛyɛ fiaswa snega so abetwetwe ne yepa ansa ne bɛkɔ akɔtie nsɛm ahodoɔ bia ɛyɛ Aisha Modi wɔde betu dwa no na meka fo tap send de ama so am no ne na sa wo send niska de abaga na fa mobile money bank account na sa ZP ko app store na sa Play Store no ko download tap si bisa promo code a no award party TV da show ne a chobu no say da kan wa yent o hye midofpa yentie nsɛm ahodoɔ bia Aisha Modi aya wɔde tutu dwa
faithful she who was scar fashion on what mo say me just Stonebwoy chiri die me jana fufuo bi mo say na nsem aye kama obi wu mi bia Aisha wa ye kama e wo ho aye fo because isi me di mi sika hwe me ho akosu allegation obi ntagi akosu allegation mame nka asam nkyere wo won sika na wo de ye yadoye no fakobwe janka mede etofo fakobwe janka fabwa omu nibi fabwa omu awuni momo de bi omu bebo mpaye se nyame nhyirawo mi Aisha mi gina hoyi yeyi Allah talala le wa salam ye ni free o my mother. I don't fucking joke with my mother. Muntie me ya kwale bia say ye Allah near you prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My mother comes before any motherfucker. Intime me mambe chusu obi Stonebwoy brand over me mami owo me because me chusu me ma mpo over me mami me shano me yakwale bia na maso den me mami wo marry me ensa ye 3 girls me na me toso second Zubeida first me and Sana Hana me chiri ba kra wo 37 years so say 36 years me chiri ba e wo 37 o say 36 awawari o ma mienu me afia me free mu ye tete me wo shake Ibrahim ma atefie ye tete me e wo shake Ibrahim ma atefie me mokro no asame nya no kremenka ye kire me se woni wonua nam na ekomode na amane bi ndi na obi ni mo chena ye kire me se ye fo obi ade ye ni yie ye fo obi ade nse no ye kire me se woni wonua nam na no ho kire na be there for wonua no because edu wonua no so enne na ochina ebedru wo so nobody knows tomorrow. Ya kire me say emas enipa ni mu nwase ebre sika wo ho keke fosu munko bisa no me ka sa asem we kire na emre bi o se sister minti enam sikeke se sik enipa ni mbegu ase de sike ni mu nwase me no me be a message no GH mouthpiece me pamucho me wi a me video na sa niama ni nyina me dia totototo ho because my screenshot bi bia me say me was screenshot be 1000 obi a me di ntongu me so ma me nkama no ntumu biu mama Ghana phone bebe bre because of my ungratefulness behavior. Titine na niyama ntesa. Me ya nyo me ya she. I mean that. Na me talk am. Me no. Uchitu me chitu. Diobe ubi obi anko. Wu akọ. Me wu amekọ. Me sana me papa no mu. Ashimu sa no mu tete me. Wallahi. Baka cry. Mo be di mu nkwasi asem na me to odi na me hwemu. Hey. Mo mo eche me street. Mo nim time a me nim street. Mo nkọ ablekuma. Mo nkọ anya. Na mo nkọ bisa. Ne kanche mu time a me nim street. Obi antumi nche me shi wo street. Ade bia wo street bia me Aisha me hu bi pen. Wallahi. Oni mi akano. Me chan so he is from Ashama, but the street of Ashama is being ruled by my fathers. Duru. Mintress no kwasie bi ono anya me so mfa so mbedi me ma me atam, my beloved mom. Na min kama no ntum. Min sroshi. Mi fre bushemu a. Ye wo mini musika nkura na. Wumpacho. Mimi yo ba kukuduo phobia. Uti so se mi so. Na okasa me mpa wo chwa kumi. Menyeda. Se me ye writer. Obuwa. Sa akoma na mikita. Mo fi se ye fi se fie funa sie bia sori na odi nkwasi asem. Mo ye lucky se me papa Ashimu sako. Anka no malafaka bia betimi ni me be dia grow social media. Anka be ya bloody. Na me papa Ashimu sakra wu kono kra no. Obi ani oni me be dia grow social media anya bloody. Wo ban social media no ban back door near their face. Duru monkey. Asiafo enipa beba betina brochire waye juma wa pepa brewa fo to bin waye de obeye or the best support mu wi a mo be sre mo be pacho ne aboa mu wi no madan mo wasa be di atem na Ghana fo mo be di e maame no mo atem asia. Hey, you know street. One me be try na one me be cash rita. Me one me be ko me pa na me fin we pa me fin. Ba me kase me che wo shege a bibie bi me kire wo. Mo ko bisa Shatawale. Mu SM4 mu bisa Shatawale sai Aisha Modi nechi ye den. Nechi. Me mechi nko a imama gu mechi. The killers were get from my back. Me nim DH mouthpiece. TM music me da si. Me nim no. Me nti ni din da. And I bet from Instagram. Say ope oye program bi wo Satan no yejumo radio station bi. Oye program wo ho. Na oye omu program no say all the time no nya musicians no omu koso money flow et saying. So nya musicians no omu koso. Na musicians no onya omu a omo be cancel program no opa me cho opese me boa no asem we nyina make bia evidence ni nyina be ba beguo after me kase wi a ena me see you mate oye wine ena so o media no na wa follow me at respect me pa ena ode ne na mama me inti anytime ani show no ebe koso no na my friend musician akoso na my friend musician akoso na my friend musician inti ebeye ti say bushia mi hu ne da mi nimu no but enipa akoma boni ya nyame di ache mi ya o ena me be fa ni se mi nua me wo hoda kro ena GH Mafis ebe send me message wo Instagram opa me cho me friend sisi a me sorry ya na me friend no ena o say when you na America evidence ni bi wo a eye audio mebo na when your problem kakra ye yi ne die free adwuma mu girl ni su ya ma de ne ye me mobo or see a fair no in the bush or on any me and monketwa or more free or mu village. Bono Aba crown, Wabe renti baby wa Ulu. 1 room or something, or pamacho memoano. And I may say, baby, a we Juma, ye chia was sambo some, or see a chia 15 million. And I may say, en sumbusumi bia, memo 2,000 Ghana, and sana 1 year Juma, to start 1 year Juma, na me jai, and I'll see you. Now me will live in. Nti bosumi na maseniska na me shene nkran na me freno na me nene kasa na me maneno nti mube nwa GH ma fees obi oni mi beye ntokwa bia no na oba be koma me menya kodo ache obi oni mi beba be kumbia no na GH ma fees. Thank you, dear. Now, wabe kwa mame. Inti me ma GH ma fisi can be 3 times. Money flow, thank you. And I'm a friend, and I'm CGH. Wouldn't him say the way I walk kasano. And come no be Juma. I see something great in you. I say, who you be a one kasankasa bit in start with Juma. Because so kasa e kwetwe and na we ya obi a wano ate ene kasa intino wan kasa dwen na ya ubibi sa time ni nyina na me go through sa weight loss ma ko doctor me wo wopane me ye weight loss inti me wo hono ma na me sabe frɛ ni biom and na me ka kire ni say me ko weight loss bi e wa America na makoji edro free doctor no na me wo me ho pane inti sanka me wo me ho pane na me so te no onim kasa anka ye betimi metimi akọ Vietnam ana China na kama kra edro bi weight loss we edro bi ana bibi na nka me we edro na me ye adverts no ton because okasa ye and no see you what say. Thank you Dino. Thank you, Dino. And I'll see you what it. But we are making evidence go, my coaching in a go. A same way, I take me 3 years. I feel I'm about make us. And I made it, me jano. Me wanna GH my feet frame me. And I'll catch them say. Or what brewe be warm village. Na bre wani ye fome dro na bre wani ye good pa o ma wo we dro ni niama nti oni abre wana akokasa ama abre wani so be ye fome dro na ama no na nka ye dia a start ejuma no e na me see you nti okoji edro ne baaye no e na me bisa ne say dro ne ye sen e na obo sika no e na me disika no koma no e na this start say odi ye business no. But no, I'm not in Brentwood. I'm in Georgia. I'm in Atlanta. I'm not in Brentwood. Into your car, you know. And I may say, let's finish. What is life go, Eddie? But your mama, because I don't know the life go. Into your car, you know. And I may see you. And I may send this kind of command. And no coffee do ne buy. Into more di free Instagram no. Moba kaya. Say mimi shooting ya na mabana me ya advert edro we GH ma fees edro na hoton no na me num na edro ne da inti nkrofo hu say me so te pa no omo be gidi ye say GH ma fees edro na mpa inti omo to edro ne pa munko bisa Instagram for omo pedro ne pa inti sika start say ba GH nsam ana ka kire me say edro ne nko na ye nyododo inti anka yesi bibi di gummies sanka metimi ahwehwe mu afa gummies ni bia ba na nka ye di aka edro no waton na me see you mate inti me call Google ena me ko share gummies ena me yi dia ne boyfo ena me de send pictures ne send no ena o si han yenye ena me si okay ena me contact a company no me ye bibia ena me betu gummies needing Slim City gummies media Slim City gummies muko Instagram ho muko TikTok meba be posti GH ma fees kwa ye address bebrebi ni nyina evidence wo meba be posti inti me di kan e fa 100 pieces e command e share say ye beto a inti 100 pieces ni ko ye no endi 1 month impo e no muto ni nyina e no friend say sister gummies le de papa enipa ba ko to me to be saa e na wo wi so na awrane o nti na enipa to oton wie ye no e na o se o diskane mame e na misi o fa sika no e hye ni business ni mu cause afa na wa start business no nti 100 pieces na me de man ne de on fa hye ni business on fa nye ni business no e na o see you na ne gie be da amase ni nyina me de evidence be gu o nti ya be ye nuanom me wo me nua be ma bi wo kromo e friend Kenzi e na me be introduce me nua no so di ma GH ma fees nti wo mu a na me nua na ma ne GH me mo kai titi e bra titi yare no me say ni GH ma fees 100 million e na me mo koma titi 50 million e na me mo use 50 million no e di dwa koma titi ni nyina me wo evidence ni video e wo ho no ma me ba be posti inti me fa ni se me nua bibia me ma ne koma me e na me call Ghana me ko GH ma fees for the first time me ko me kita Samsung flip phone 1500 baako me kita handbag baako bia $850 me to baako 3 me pamucho munko bisa tina geng munko bisa tina geng ena me sa wo evidence wo ho ena me to ena me di dwama na ma ena me call Ghana me de command no me do Ghana na GH ma fees ka che me say okwa ye donation ena me ka che me house boy ni say on pie me car boot GH ma fees wu sika egu me car boot oba ni num ena me twe 75 million me twe 75 million de ma GH ma fees say ni donation no okwa ye no me dey supporting nti on fan ka ho no on fan koye wo mukurom me de che no me were evidence as our witnesses and I made here me call ye inti GH mat fees e ko ni kuro na sata me ma ye busy inti ni bu be fu ye me were evidence of everything and proof as our witnesses as some are making I taking me 3 years me see obi abeji ni de as Santa kwa we amabeka no ye be wie ni 19 ye be wie no next 10 years ena me be pene so me do Ghana me ni GH ma fees anko baby onu no chi akada ba de nyame de boa me ne say na opese me ne ko tisa samwaja mo opese me ne no baby important no opese honorable tortoise mo manfa na nkoda anki mi se me mfa na nkoda because me ni GH ma fees na me nyame hu eni bre e wo nafa me wo baby ye friend no olori me GH ma fees aba me wa ye makeup Nana Spices muko bisa Nana Spices say oye me ni GH ma fees makeup mami ya na me chia Nana Spices in dollars na me chia ne ka in dollars mu bisa Nana Spices makopa ne cho say GH ma fees mi nua me pese omo ma no nkoso ye ma GH ma fees uma me che na wo fi se mi fie omo beba ba bedi wechi wo be gina wo be di mi maami atem mi maami a wato aduane ama we dida mi maami a oba Ghana wo koto fam na wo da na se weja wo maami kwasi ampani ni wo aba be di mi maami atem on se me fi o etiefo mi di niama 5 box aba Ghana gummies ena me di niama ni ma GH Mouthpiece say mimi ye advert me di ni nama ebeto niama na ye ton ne so because na sa time no ma ye too busy me ye niama ene na me wofa ni so to mo afre me o tena na say me kwa nti na ma ye busy and also it's no problem say me ami wo baby ami ton sa eyi and na wo de ma me so ameton na me so okay na ton ye nche ska no and I'll see you. Niama ni crampo no me chia almost 150 million and me di niama 5 bucks no GF Mouthpiece is aware. Me di niama ni ma GH Mouthpiece. Ye di ye kosi yo hima. On be ka so say sika bebri. Say me ye kosi ye hima say ye sell 400 me sell 400,000 Ghana cedi. GH Mouthpiece is sell 400 million. Yebe ya mamre aba seriki giwa ene to nentwie odwan imponchi a yedi ya mamre ni nyina ya aba seriki giwa na to ni nyina de cheme ade bia amamre ade bia ye se yesi minto ponchi ba kwa na makacha aba seriki giwa se yesi minto miensa inti aba seriki giwa to ne double inti GH Mouthpiece amamre ni bibia ye bia no ni 1 Ghana nka ho leza mi ni GH Mouthpiece ye fra ye na mama brown ekunu ena edi ma ayen eni nie no koma no oton niama ni nyina ewie ye no e na obe frɛ me e no se na naima ma ton niama na ewie o na asa me pefoforo asa aton na me se ei na niama yi na sisi ei waton ewie na o se o we are advert ni nyina no I said then Ena na me chire me bibi wie na mo bi comment section me da base wate na me tumi focus ena me di niama no nti GH ye na me si oni waton niama na wie na obeje foforo de a Ghana fo mu ntie mi o waton niama na wie na wo beje foforo de ene fe niama na waton ni sika ne mra na ye nche GH Mouthpiece muni ya ti kum no feel say niama 5 bucks me shipping niama no me tria almost $1,600 for niama 5 bucks. You know America you all box ka kese no bako 5 me catch am the way industry ni mo they taking me for granted down obi abeti me ya oni mi sun ase obi a wadanfo minimum woda mi hu woda na mafani ama abna me da ase na yeyi wedi wo pekin jerry and wo be frame me e pa mucho evidence ni Bacho Muridi. Fear the purple flower. Who has to die for one of these houses to become available? Seriously, new episode Thursday at 10. Set your TVR. Na wetumi aba minimo me do I me do unconditionally sana metie when I love you unconditional love me kase me do bia metumi ewu ama mumbisa me kase me do bia me ya ade ama wa wodwen ho a wonti ase da munko bisa me nwa kwaku no nka nkyerem me kase me do wa I can metimi agi bullets for you sana nyame abome enye me na me bo me untimi nsesa me ho ba sana metie wumbe mi a unhu se ne ametie me na stone boy ye call sa akodie program ase asem bia sa akodie ka se si ye bia eye no kore but because say na stone boy that day ye signing me techno contracts almost say or ye violent into to me madana stone boy frame any soon sister techno for no ne yirimbe bodua bi dimlika na bi ko fie because now ne lawyer we obia ye basa techno sika no gimu 50% edi na me be tu gina ho ebra me wo ho a me ni tua me kro ka me sacrifice so me ni tua na me be disakode atem because of odo because me protect you be brand because me say hey me obey me a hey obey me a obi a wa be me bi enu obeka so ndidi mi nsem da stone boy ebusuafo from ne papa ebesi ni nuanom obi enu obeka so ndidi mi nsem da fiti stone boy yere ekosi ne ma obi enu obeka so ndidi mi nsem da fiti stone boy management ebeka bim natives omo be me obi enu obeka so ndidi mi nsem da ba mumbisa me se sankrofo we nyina me dio mu nsem wan Ghana dana ana sankrofo we nyina aso me birthday kra mo bia ka se ohu tofe because me dwi nipa ho enipa hu hia enipa ehu hia Mona yangu
abusiafo na tese kasa no ados yie pa enya asam ketewa wedie nsama odo a Mona Gucci Afia snega ebetoto edemane Aisha Modi efane nsama odo a na sentem aba no so asese die wo so life a na ndie wo bia edin ewo mu bi no eno ene konekuti mu ansem ebai meso so baso a for comment eto ase on shana kota fraso senu obi ansmate maka video mi ni dia abna o some of ma kra me besen share ebie
Mr. Mankwa me ofese wo se ni ska bane ade awie ni project no eso de bia me ofese ka mane wo problem
enemre mu na monte tap send nka
no so ne de
tap send ye easy fast and secured way ubetimi send sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa a obaye ne say
kire ne se wonko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa akofre na ka akire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send at the good news aba tap send the gine ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no obey ne say
so your customer wo UK sesia ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
eni se say use momo Ghana hayiru
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na him kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no